Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and Zanai. She was watching me and was itching to get in the video, so here she is having a blast. Now it is time to unravel these braids and cornrows, and I had them in for a little over 2 weeks, and I'm so glad that I did this protective style because it gave my hair a much needed break. I mean, I was running around like crazy doing so much, and I'm just really happy that my hair was up and I didn't have to worry about it. That is the good thing about these styles. You can do it and just kind of forget about your hair for a little bit. I mean, definitely moisturize your hair, put some oil in it. Don't neglect it, but I just really love how it is low maintenance. Now to unravel these braids, I'm going to spray my hair with a little bit of water and oil mixture. I do have a video. I will link that in the description box so you can watch it on how I unravel the braids, cornrows, twist, just so that my hair doesn't dry out and break off, because I want to keep my hair nice and healthy all the way through. I am trying to get my hair down to waist length very soon, and I know it's going to happen maybe next year or the year after, but I really want my hair to grow nice and healthy. Fast forward, all the braids and cornrows have been unraveled. Now I'm going to section my hair in quadrants. I just love working in sections. It really helps me to care and manage my hair a lot better. Next, I'm going to damp detangle by adding this water and oil mixture to my hair. I really love doing this. I don't detangle my hair when it's dry because I don't want my hair breaking off. I just find that damp detangling really helps this whole process of detangling go a lot smoother, and I'm adding moisture back into my hair. And after detangling all 4 sections, here is how much hair shed. Now I'm going to pre-poo my hair, and I'm using this pre-poo from Mono's Hair. This is the Scalp and Curl Clarifier. So if you know me, you know that I love pre-pooing my hair. It just really helps to get wash day off to a good start. I chose to use the Scalp and Curl Clarifier as my pre-poo because I had the previous style in for 2.5 weeks, and I really need my scalp to be nice and clean, get rid of all that buildup, the edge control, the oils, everything that was in my hair. I did go to the gym also, so I really need all of that lifted out of my scalp. I really need a nice healthy scalp, and you know that healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp, and this product is going to help enforce that. And as instructed, I'm applying this to my scalp, and then I'm massaging it to work a nice lather, and this definitely gave me a lather before I applied any water to it. I was a bit surprised. I didn't think that it was going to do that, but I just really liked how it emulsified on my scalp, helping to rid all the product buildup, getting my scalp nice and clean. And it felt really good to get that buildup off my scalp because, like I said, I had some oils going to the gym, some oils that I added to my hair, creams, edge control, you name it. I had so much in my hair, and after 2.5 weeks my scalp was starting to itch, and I just really needed to get that off my scalp. And I definitely love the way it made my scalp and roots feel so soft and so smooth. And I also worked the Scalp and Curl Clarifier on the other 3 sections of hair. Now fast forward to the shower, I just took the clips off, and then I also added more water to my hair and worked the Scalp and Curl Clarifier down the length of my hair in each section, and you can really see how my curls are clumping together. I'm getting great moisture, great curl definition, and I really love the way that my hair felt. And my hair felt so soft, and I could feel my curls clumping together. And I'm doing a really good rinse of the Scalp and Curl Clarifier before I shampoo. And before I shampoo, I'm going to section my hair into quadrants. I also love to saturate my hair with water before applying any products to it, especially on wash days. And for my shampoo, I'm going to use this one from Honey. It is their Deep Moist Shampoo, and one of my favorite shampoos. I applied 2 pumps to this quadrant, and I really need half a pump because it is so concentrated and it emulsifies so well in my hair. I just really love it because the scent, it's calming, and it has honey, which is a natural humectant, which means it's going to attract moisture and keep that moisture retention going. It also has argan oil, honey, royal jelly, propolis, golden silk, hyaluronic acid, and more, just to help keep your hair nice and moisturized. And it just feels so good in my hair. It gets my curls clumping, and it has a great amount of lather, which you know I love. I just love when my hair is lathered and not stripped. I don't like when I get a good lather, but once I rinse the shampoo out of my hair is stripped of moisture. It feels dry. It just feels gross. I just really love when my hair is able to retain moisture even after rinsing the shampoo out, especially in any other product like conditioner and deep conditioner. I really want my hair to hold on to moisture. And lastly, before I rinse the shampoo out, I'm going to remove the clips and just massage my scalp as a whole and make sure that the shampoo is worked in all of my hair. I really want to make sure that I give my hair the TLC that it needs. So for that reason, this is the process that I do. It works really well for me, and just making sure that my hair is nice and clean, my scalp is nice and clean. It's definitely worth it. And once that I feel that the shampoo has been worked in really good, I'm going to rinse it out with some lukewarm water. And I'm also making sure that I rinse my hair really good, that there are no more shampoo suds in my hair. Now for my conditioner, I'm going to use Olaplex's number 5 Bomb Maintenance Conditioner, which helps to repair, strengthen, and hydrate. And I only need that little bit that I showed you there, which is one of the reasons why I love this conditioner, because it's so concentrated and I don't need a lot. Like this little bottle I showed you, I can use 3 full times on my hair. I just really love it, and my curls pop, they clump together every single time. I did use just a little teeny bit more, but I don't need that much, and you can really see how my curls clump together. They're so moisturized, they're so hydrated, and I didn't even use that much. I also like to comb the conditioner in, just making sure that it is worked in my hair very good, that it is penetrated into the hair strands. I really want to make sure that these products work really good in my hair, especially because this bottle of Olaplex is $28. I want to get every single penny's worth of goodness in my hair. And I twisted my hair just to hold on to that moisture. And this little bit of conditioner is all I need for this quadrant of hair. I'm telling you, I love this conditioner because it is so concentrated. Even though it is a little bit pricey, I definitely feel like I get my money's worth out of it. And twisting my hair definitely helps with moisture retention. And in the front of my hair, where I do have low porosity, I need just a little bit more of the conditioner versus the back section, because I do have low porosity here in the front, but nothing like a typical helping of conditioner that I would normally use. Still, nothing compares to it. I absolutely love this conditioner. I make sure to comb it in and twist it to keep that momentum going. After applying the conditioner, combing it in and twisting it on all 4 sections, I'm going to go back to the very first one, unravel that twist, and rinse the conditioner out entirely. I'm not going and removing the clips and rinsing the conditioner out in one like the shampoo. I am just going to do it section by section. For my deep conditioner, I'm going to use the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. It does have macro and baobab oils, and I absolutely love using oils in my hair products. I just find that they're just more effective. But look how popping these curls are. I really love this deep conditioner. It is one of my favorite deep conditioners because it gets my curls right every single time. And I'm going to smooth the deep conditioner in with my hands using the praying hands method. And then I'm going to twist my hair with the deep conditioner in and clip it up. This is really going to help keep that moisture in my hair. And I'm going to repeat the same process on the other 3 sections of hair. And I noticed that doing this technique of applying the conditioner in sections and then rinsing it out in that one section and immediately applying the deep conditioner has really helped me to retain moisture a lot better. My hair truly feels a lot nicer because before I was doing this, my hair did feel good, but it didn't have that soft from within feel. It's a little bit hard to explain, but if you do this technique, I will say give it about a good month to really notice that moisture retention. I mean, everything that I do, it is with intent, it is with purpose, but it's definitely to help keep my hair nice and soft, keep it nice and moisturized, to keep that sheen, just to have my hair just nice and voluminous. Overall, very healthy. You know that I am on a healthy hair journey, so not a long hair journey, but I really want my hair to be nice and healthy. So I did take my shower. I did not cover my hair because this deep conditioner has a lot of protein in it and I don't want to OD. So I just let my hair breathe while I took a quick shower and then rinsed my hair out with some cold water. And after rinsing the deep conditioner out, my hair feels amazing. I have that perfect balance of moisture and protein. My curls are clumped together. They are popping. My hair feels very strong and hydrated, and I definitely don't have any brittle ends. My hair is not frizzy, and it does not feel dull. It feels healthy overall, and I'm going to put this cotton tank top over my hair and prepare to style it. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!